Hi, my name is Josh Lockheed, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. Today I'd like to quickly introduce you to the Deposit Required feature in QuoteWerks. The Deposit Required setting allows you to define what payment you will collect from your customer when the quote is accepted. This is a great feature to use when you require your customers to make an upfront payment when accepting an order, and with QuoteValet you can even collect the payment using over 80 different payment gateways. You even have the option to accept full payments if your customers choose to pay the full amount upfront. Here I am in a quote for some network equipment and some services to install that networking equipment. If you look on the bottom left of this particular page, you'll see the Deposit Required section. If we hit the ellipses button here, we'll see that the Deposit Required window opens up where we can set the deposit requirements for this particular document. We can set that to none, full amount, percent of total document, a fixed amount, percent of any line item in the document, or a formula based on the percent of a multiple number of matching line items in the document. Also here we have the ability to include shipping amounts, including sales tax and the deposit required, and also to set it so that customers can pay the full amount or the remaining balance at any time. I'm going to go ahead and select that our customers can pay the full amount or remaining balance at any time, and I'm going to set the deposit requirement to 50% of this document. And I'll hit OK to save those changes. Now, if we wanted to set a default requirement for all of our documents, we would go to Tools, Options, click on the Documents tab, and then under Deposit Amount, we would hit the ellipses button and set whatever setting we would like to have as our default moving forward. I'm going to go ahead and set it as a percentage of document, again to 50%, and hit OK. And now moving forward, any document that we create will have a deposit requirement of 50%, and that will require that the customer make that payment at the time of order conversion. Let's go ahead and deliver this document to our customer. We'll upload it to QuoteValet. And we'll go ahead and preview this on QuoteValet. You can see we have our document here with all of our items. And you can see that the deposit requirement is outlined here under the subtotal and total, as well as under payment options. Here we've provided the payment option of credit card, and you can see again the deposit payment is listed here with the quote total as well. I'm going to go ahead and accept this and provide a signature and hit click to accept. Now what this is going to do, it's going to process the order for us. And as you can see here, it brings up the quote acceptance page. It brings up a note that says that we've accepted the quote with a link to Pay Now. And that will help us to finalize this order. So if a customer receives this particular page, they can click on Pay Now. And you'll see that it does show the deposit due along with the payment information that our customer can input, as well as the ability for them to pay the full amount at any time as well. As you can see, the Deposit Required feature is a great option for when you need to collect payments from your customers at time of order conversion. If you have any questions about this feature or anything else, please feel free to contact our team at 407-248-1481.